Hello beautiful people, good morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. My name is Winifred and you are welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to be learning how to take a trouser measurement, a native trouser measurement for a male trouser. So we are going to be using this my model here. His name is Overcomer. We are going to be using him for this training. So let's start. But before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel to get more tutorials. Thank you as you do. Please note, this kind of measurement that I want to teach you in this video is for pattern drafting alone, and pattern drafting is the best method for making a garment, a proper garment. I used to do freehand before too, but since I started drafting pattern, I noticed a change in my work. So now this type of measurement to be taken is for pattern drafters. So we are going to take the waist measurement, which is this. It comes from the back. Make sure it's free. The waist measurement is 27. Then we are going to take the hip measurement. The reason why we are taking the hip measurement for a male garment is to calculate the crotch. So we are taking the hip measurement. Come from the back. Make sure it's on the highest part. Tell your client to remove everything in their pocket so it doesn't add to the measurement. Then you move it round. You make sure that it is free. This is 32. That's the hip measurement. So if you want to calculate the crotch for this client, you are going to divide 32. You are going to divide 32 by 4. Whatever you get plus 2 inches or 2.5 or 3 inches is your crotch measurement, depending on the size of the person. Now the next thing to take is the length of your trousers. So from the waist you measure up to the ankle area. But some people like it to reach the floor length. But for modern native trouser, it's meant to stop at below the ankle here, which is 39. Or you can make it up to the down part of the feet, which is 41, up to the floor length. For older people, mostly older people like it that way. Then to measure the round round ankle leg, you are not meant to measure it like this. You are not meant to take it like this. If you take it like this, it will be too tight. It's wrong. So you take it from, raise your feet a bit. Take it from the down part of the feet up like this. From this side of the feet. From this side up. Raise your leg a little so they can sit. From this side, you take the measurement up like this. Whatever you get is your round ankle measurement, which is 14 inches. Then the next thing you are meant to take is your waist to knee. Your waist to knee, from the waist to the sharp point here is your waist to knee, which is 18 inches. Then you measure your round knee length. To measure your round knee length, stand properly please. To measure your round knee length, if you measure it like this, it will be wrong. So you are going to tell your client to raise his feet. Raise your leg a bit. Fold your leg like this and raise it. You see, it has added to the knee length and it has to be free. So this is 16 inches. So 16 inches is the round knee length. Now to measure the thigh, spread your feet, your legs a bit. Stand properly. If you raise your clothes, if you measure your thigh like this, it will be wrong because it will be too tight for your client. And this is a native trouser, it does not have any zip, it's just free. So you have to measure it like this, up to the hip line, and you make sure like it's very tight. Just stand properly, don't worry. So this is 27 inches. We are measuring it like this because we want it to have enough ease at the thigh area. Look at it now. When we cross it back to the original thigh, see how free it is. So that is how to measure a client for a native trouser measurement. Native trouser measurement. If you are drafting a pattern, So that is that about taking a measurement for a native trouser for men. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Drop your comments or questions in the comment section down below. Thank you. Bye.